Keep watching guys, because I'm gonna show you how to make this a very delicious, quick chicken with bumbu kuning or yellow seasoning. Keep watching, let's get cooking. Coconut oil, I always use coconut oil because I love coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil here, okay? Heat it up a little bit, maybe like 30 seconds. Next, you need the chicken thigh for this recipe because chicken thigh, it's very juicy and fluffy and how do you call that? Juicy? Even you cook longer for chicken thigh, it's not gonna be overcooked. You're gonna still get the juicy kind of meat, okay? Hot already, and put your chicken thigh. It's a 6 to 8 ounces chicken thigh, okay? Put it there. Yeah. Let them cook. Maybe 1 minute, one side, and then you flip 1 minute on the other side. Ready. To flip. Okay. Take a look at the golden brown. Put it here. So we're gonna cut this chicken. We're gonna make the sauce for this chicken. Next, onion, then red pepper, and the scallion. Cook them. Half cup of coconut milk. Now you can put your salt. I'm gonna put 1 spoon of salt. If you need more, you can always add more, okay? 1 teaspoon chicken base. If you need more salt, add more. Turmeric powder, because you want to have that yellow color a little bit. It's kind of like curry, but it's not curry because I don't use curry leaf here. It's gonna be look like curry because we use turmeric and coconut milk. Pinch, maybe like half teaspoon of turmeric. Turn it back on your stove. Let them boil a little bit. So now we're gonna cut this chicken, okay? Cut it. There will be like raw in the middle, but we're gonna cook more. Oh, still hot. We're gonna put this chicken back into the sauce. Take some of the sauce and pour on the top of the chicken. Yeah. Put in a low, and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. You need to thicken the caldo. How do you say the caldo? You need to thicken the broth. The broth. You need to thicken the broth, okay? So I use my roti maker to cover the chicken, okay? Let them cook 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's check. Yes, already 10 minutes. Bueno, let's cook. Okay, try this, the saltiness. You guys have to try this at home, okay? Let's do the plating. Potatoes, which is boiled potatoes, what you can do, squeeze it. Just like that. Put in the middle, okay? Then we're gonna put this chicken on the top, some color around, a bit more sauce. There we go. This is chicken with bumbu kuning or yellow seasoning. If you like this recipe, go click the link below. You're gonna get more details about this recipe, and you're gonna find a bunch of my recipe there with a lot of seasoning or my cooking seasoning that you can use.